I shall top it out with a few dashes of white pepper. Done.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Yesterday, Appa's wife, my wife sent me a picture of a kopitiam shop selling yellow rice wine with ginger egg beehoon soup. I've never eaten before, but she says she wants to eat, so I'm going to try to replicate it at home for her. Okay, and I'm going to cook two. This is the amount for 2 bowls. Yeah, I'm making for 1 bowl for my wife, 1 bowl for my mother-in-law. So first of all, we're going to have 2 eggs here, some nice ginger slices. Yeah, slice it thinly, and few pieces of this is prawn. Yeah, prawns. 2 pieces of beehoon, and from online I managed to get some homemade yellow rice wine. Yeah, not sure it's good or not. And you will need the chicken stock. So if you don't have chicken stock, you can make use of Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to make the chicken stock, where you can turn a bowl of plain water into chicken stock in 2 seconds. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. If not, you can just use your normal chicken stock or pork broth. Right, this is very simple. First of all, with a little bit of oil here, we are going to fry our ginger and also egg. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger. So let's try to brown our ginger a little bit before we add in the egg. We'll come back shortly. Alright, this is after approximately 1 minute plus. You start seeing the ginger becoming brown. You can push it aside. Now we can actually add in the egg here. And we can break it. Right, then we can mix the egg and also ginger together. And while the egg is like 70% cooked, we can actually add in the chicken stock or the water. Yeah, we spread the bottom a bit. Right. I'm going to add in approximately 800 ml because I'm going to use this bowl, and I did a measurement with this bowl. 1 bowl is approximately 500 ml, and I'm leaving some space for my yellow rice wine. Yeah, so now we are going to raise the heat. Oops. And like I mentioned, if you don't have a chicken stock, I'm using Cooking Appa chicken stock powder to create chicken stock right here. I'm adding approximately 1 tablespoon. You can put a bit more, no problem. Now it is chicken stock with eggy and gingery flavor. Oh, not difficult, isn't it? Next thing, we're going to season this. I'm going to give it 1 teaspoon of salt, and also few dashes of fish sauce. Let's bring this to a boil. Alright, our broth here has been boiling for the past 2-3 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the yellow rice wine, small bowl. So, small bowl of yellow rice wine. Alright. So really depending on how much wine you want to put in, up to you. You can still add some yellow rice wine before serving, yeah? Wow, super fragrant right now. And then I'm going to add in the prawns. You can marinate the prawn with a bit of salt, yeah? So I won't cook this for a long time, because if you cook it too long, the wine flavor will actually start to lose. And yellow rice wine after cooking, whatever left is actually some natural sweetness. So it's up to you whether you want to add in a bit of sugar or not. Yeah, right? Up to you lah. Some people really hated Appa adding sugar inside my dishes. Why Appa always add some sugar right after salt is because I learned this trick from a professional chef where they always use a bit of sugar after salt. That will increase the potency of the salt itself, yeah? But since a lot of you doesn't like it, I will avoid putting in sugar lah. Wow, super flavorful right now. So now what you need to do is just to use some salt to adjust to taste. That's it. It's basically done. Our broth is basically done. We can prepare the beehoon. So I have 1 pot of boiling water aside. I'm adding in a bit of salt, a bit of oil, and I'm putting in the beehoon inside. I will cook it for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, basically until it is cooked lah. To my experience, it will probably take about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, this is about 1 minute plus. Blanching the beehoon, close to 2 minutes. The beehoon is definitely done. Let me put it inside the serving bowl. Here we got some prawns. Alright. And I shall top it out with a few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is. I think Appa can actually open the store outside, right? Any of you is going to come to my store? At kopitiam. Alright, here's my very, very simple, what is this? Yellow rice wine beehoon soup with egg and also ginger. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.